Hi guys, it's Crystal from ChristaCoDesign. Today we're making this super simple headband, very beginner friendly, just double crochet stitches. We will use two hook sizes. We'll start the first round with our larger hook size and then switch to the smaller. I'll start with a 5mm hook and then we'll switch to the 4mm hook. You'll need scissors and yarn needle also to weave in your ends. We're using a number 4 medium worsted weight yarn. For baby size 3 to 6 months, you'll need about 18 yards, 3 to 6 months, 22 yards, 6 to 12 months, 27, 12 to 24 months, 33, toddler 1 to 2 years, 38, preschool 42, child 47, tween 53, small adult 58, medium adult 64, and large adult 69 yards of yarn. We'll start by making a chain and then joining it into a circle. For babies 0 to 3 months, chain 43, 3 to 6 months, 46, 6 to 12 months, 50, 12 to 24 months, 55, toddler 59, preschool 63, child 67, tween 71, small adult 75, medium adult 78, and large adult 81. Okay, now being careful not to twist the chain, we're going to slip stitch to the first chain we made. There we go. And now we can start. Our first row we're going to continue in our number 5 hook. We'll start with the chain 3. That counts as our first double crochet. In the next chain we will work a double crochet. There we have our first 2 stitches. And then in the following space the same, work a double crochet. And keep working double crochets in each chain around. Okay, here we are at the end of our round. We have 1 chain left to work into. It's our last double crochet of the round. Now we're going to slip stitch to the top of our 3rd chain that we started with. That counted as our first double crochet of the round. And then we continue from where we are, but this time we're going to switch to the smaller hook. The size 5mm hook gives us a little bit of a stretchier, looser first row. And we'll continue the pattern, chain 3 to start, double crochet in the next stitch, double crochet in the following, and continue to double crochet in each stitch around. Okay, we're at the end of round 2 here. We have 1 double crochet left to make in the last stitch. And then we slip stitch the top of our 3rd chain again. And now we just repeat that 1 round for babies 0 to 3 months, 3 to 6 months, 6 to 12 months, and 12 to 24 months. Repeat that round 2 more times until you have 4 rounds total. For toddler, preschool, child, tween, small, medium, and large adult sizes. Repeat that round 4 more times until you have 6 rounds total. And then we will cut our yarn and weave in our ends.